Welcome friends. Let us continue to study steam generator on my YouTube channel. In today's lecture, we are going to study the boiler accessories such as feed water heater, steam separator, anti-priming pipe and feed pump. Feed water heater. It is also known as the exhaust steam feed water heater, and this is a sketch for the feed water heater. Now, this is the place from where feed water is entering into the feed water heater, and the feed water comes out from the top. So that is the hot feed water comes out from the top. Now, as the name indicates, exhaust steam, it means here feed water is heated with the help of the exhaust steam. So you can just see here from the bottom into the chamber A, the steam enters, and then after steam passes through the different steam pipes having the inverted U shape, and the steam comes out at the chamber B and then it is taken out. So here with the help of the steam the feed water is heated. Location. It is located between condenser and boiler in thermal power plant. Function. Feed water heaters are used to preheat the feed water entering into the boiler. Working. Steam from intermediate stages of steam turbine is removed, and the same steam is used to directly or indirectly heat the feed water. Working. Thus the feed water is heated by using extracted or exhausted steam from the steam turbine. Steam separator. So this one is a sketch for the steam separator. Here see the wet steam enters from the right hand side top, then it moves down, and as it is moving down, suddenly its direction is changed. So now the steam or the wet steam has to move up. Right? And as direction of the wet steam changes, the high density water particles available in wet steam cannot move up, and so it is collected at the bottom, and the dry steam only moves up, and this dry steam comes out from the left hand side. This is another sketch for the steam separator. Location. It is connected to the line through which steam passes. It means it is connected through which the steam is taken from boiler to the turbine or any other application. Function. The function of steam separator is to separate the water particles from the steam. So the function of the steam separator is to separate the water particles from the steam before it is supplied to steam turbine or any other application. Working. As the wet steam enters the steam separator, it is directed towards the downward direction. Suddenly, the direction of wet steam is changed, and then it is directed towards the upward direction. So here, the direction is changed, and now the steam is directed towards upward direction. As the water particles are heavier than dry steam, it falls down and dry steam moves up. So due to the change in direction and the movement is upward, the heavier water particle cannot move up, and the water particles are collected at the bottom, and the dry steam moves up. Thus the dry steam is taken out from the steam separator from top, and water collected at the bottom of the steam separator is taken out time to time. And thus we are getting the dry steam for the working of steam turbine or for any other application. Anti-priming pipe. The function of the anti-priming pipe is same as the steam separator. Location. It is connected to the line through which steam passes. Function. The function of anti-priming pipe is to separate the water particles from the steam. Working. As the wet steam enters the anti-priming pipe, it is directed towards the downward direction. So you look at here. The wet steam enters from the top. So initially it moves down and suddenly its direction is changed and then it is to be moved up. Suddenly the direction of wet steam is changed and it is directed towards the upward direction. As the water particles are heavier than the dry steam, it falls down and dry steam moves up. Thus, dry steam is taken out from the top and water collected at the bottom of the anti-priming pipe are taken out from the anti-priming pipe time to time. The next boiler accessories that we are going to study is the feed pump. So the pump utilized to increase the pressure of feed water is known as the feed pump. Location. It is located between condenser and boiler in thermal power plant, before or after the feed water heater. Function. It is used to supply the feed water to the boiler at a pressure more than the boiler pressure. So here the function of the feed pump is to increase the pressure of feed pump so that it can be entered into the boiler easily, because in the boiler the pressure is high. Working. Most commonly, reciprocating type double acting piston pump is used to increase the pressure of feed water and to supply the high pressure feed water to the boiler. Kindly ask your queries in the comment box of the video. Kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.